Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses in the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing. It's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. As soon as I enable this here again, the admin can do anything. Now the fourth, you can disable, enable as per the requirement. Now other, we can one way be more. We can try with the email service, right? As you can send the email notification the user has been registered. If for email one, it's little tough to tell because we need to set the other. You are testing email credentials, or currently I'll show to you how we can set that. One more service is here. Go to the add a service and email service. I'm sure I'm never able to test it because that's required, I guess, and very earlier they will give us to give the free access to have some minimum email, but now I guess I'm not sure why they're not providing it, but let's try. This is a mail trap, right, where you can, I guess, use a little testing. I have just set up, but I'm not sure I'm able to read to you. We don't know. Let's try. But I will show you how you can set the email service if required. This is the email from address. This means from which email the user will notify the division like user has been registered. There is another username like you are a G, you had the rate of gmail.com. Correct. And you joined some company, any company like IBM company, your ID has been registered. Now any notification we to send to your email how the ForgeRock, if any date has been done for your access right, and this has been set up for your user how they will send. How we need to set up in ForgeRock, we need to set up the email service for that. How we will set up the email, which email and the ForgeRock will send any notification to the user. This is that, like for a gesture part, right, we can add a gesture and the rate of example. This one we have not able to add it yet. I'll tell you how. This is the transport time. Which mail server will use? Click. Now we have added this email from address where the user will receive the email from this email ID. And the secondary configuration we need to add. There is two ways to get a set of send in my configuration. One is SMTP server and one is Microsoft Graph API. They have, ForgeRock has provided, but mostly that people use our company use this SMTP because when they create their own domain and email system, they will receive all this information. I'll just show to you. SMTP transport configuration. SMTP is like a simple mail transfer protocol will try to send or receives them means. We need to set up the mail server like here. I will add anything email. not, and this is the name of a service. Is we are adding any name you can give. Here the host name is like I am using this mail trap. This is just for a testing. There we have this email testing and we can get right. You can also try that. I'm not sure we will able to receive the email on that because I tried to go there asking for money. But I'll show you how once if somebody in their company asks to set up the email service via ForgeRock. What details you required or what details you will ask from your company who handles the email system, your host, whatever this thing to set up, this user will receive starting email from that services mail server host name. This kind of a host over there, you can use this credential. This is the host name. This will be the authentication username. And this will be the authentication password. Now some specific transfer configuration has been created. This is like a known as a certain and mail server port is 465. They have been 25, you can use any of it. They wanted you suggested for 6.5. We'll go with that one and see if that changes. Go into the email, the configuration. If you go into the here, then now it will come. This email notify because which transport I will use, we have set up. Even if we set up more, if we set up one more node with SMTP, then you can select that one over there. Now, and we have already one go once. I will do that with that one. Let me select again and see if it changes. It's saved, right? Some services. And then service. And now if you see I have already this one had its secondary configuration, this one I have added. And if you want to add it again, you can just go to add it and do like that. We don't need to do that. Now this email service has been set. That's how you will configure your email service. And if you go to the services and now again and you have the user service, user registration and enable the email verification, you have to verify the user email now. This will be the registration email or the outgoing party. You can check or create destination and everything. I'll save that changes. Now I have saved it. It has going back to the one. Create a comment and this will flash it. And now I choose a name. I will give it to me. Now it's saying the email has been sent to the address you entered. Click the link email to proceed, and by the time you're not sure we are going to receive the email because that's not working. I guess it's working good. You see, I'm got this mailbox. This one. Ask for the registration email. And then here it's asking for that. Click on this link to register. Now click on this link to register. I'm in this test. What we have, because we have set up the security question. We will do the security question. Or do you see your account has been successfully registered? Now we are able to use the email verification part as well. This one. Remember, I do when also another applications you see. You have been asked for registered, like, please confirm your registration right because you're authentic. Just need to check you are using your proper email. ID you're using from your email, ID not from some other person's email. ID right. That's here also we are doing. We are just seem to click on the link to register. Need to login page. And now I guess we can call it Warden23 password. That's how it started. We have done now with the email service. We have set up the email service now from here. And which I showed to you this secondary container, the same TP server. I have you can also use that right to create account in the mail trap. This is, I guess, free for now. For some meals it's free. After that it's to charge you. You can create your account over here and then you can get this details, this port, and you can set up what I have, how I showed in this SMTP, and then use for the user registration services, email. Understood? Any question regarding that? No? Can I see you can do for the forgotten password and forgotten username? It will ask like, let's stand to for the forgotten username, because you know earlier it was showing on the UI. Right now that shouldn't be the user you show on this. Let's see what if we want to send the username as username to the email. I'm not asked the person to send the email username. Email the username same, because we have already set the email service, it will should work. Now I need to go back to email address. Forgotten password, main verification name, save changes. I've left a login password and I want to do it for now. You have set the password. And if I try to log in with that one with a new password I have given. Now you can use that. I'm able to log in with updated password from your done from me. This is on the whole thing to do and hands-on concept from the user self-service, and we have sent the email service also with that. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.